Right, a Samsung A12. And what's the problem with this phone? The idea is that it fell down and then stopped displaying, but you could hear things going in the background. Anyway, I later on found out that the screen connector had just unplugged from the socket. But you might be asking me, why is it then apart? That's because I know this was a replacement screen, but whoever placed it for this person didn't do a perfect job, so I have to redo it, correct the errors that I have seen in execution, so that when I hand him the phone, he can at least have it for a very long time, as long as it doesn't drop it. And by a very long time, I mean over 2 years, and that is really decent for a screen to stay on frame for that long and stay in perfect condition. So anyway, that said, I had already scraped off the excess adhesive that whoever did the job used, and okay, we could just call it residual adhesive. Now I'm cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol to remove any residual dirt that might be lingering around. All right, having done that, we shall apply adhesive and then bond the two together. That's the screen and the frame of the phone together as one unit. So now that we've wiped, I want to see if I still have any piece of dirt here. Okay, I think it still has some residual adhesive from the previous repair. So I need to scrape all that out for us to achieve a perfect bond. Anyway, you could take this opportunity to hit the subscribe button, and please do suggest. I do not know where to shift the direction for this channel, whether I keep posting repairs or simply provide you information about your smartphone. Anyway, that's just a query to ask whether this is the right course for the channel in terms of both monetization and what people want to watch. All right, now let me bring my adhesive. Adhesive is here, and now that it is there, let me apply it on the frame of the phone. But before I do that, I also need to clean the peripheries of the screen itself for any residual adhesive, and let me attempt just that. Okay, it's a little hard on camera, but let me clean it off camera and come back. Thank you for watching, but my electricity has vanished and I can barely see anything in this lighting. So this is the thing that what we have. I have assembled it together, and let me just power it on to show you that it lights up, and hit the subscribe button and share such that we might reach all of you in time. Thank you for lookout. Share, and I don't worry about the screen, it eventually goes away and boots into the Samsung. Anyway, thank you for watching our videos. Always come back and feel free to share. Sorry that the phone is in darkness. It's just that yeah, in Uganda power keeps on going on and off. It's just something we have to bear with on a daily basis. But yeah, so this is what we have. When I swipe, you can see that I type, so it both touches and displays. Thank you. Hit the subscribe button and do share. See you in the next video.